Hello everyone. I'm trying to clean up this project families. Particularly, I'm trying to clean up some of these FECs family elements. These are fire extinguisher cabinets. Someone years ago built them in a way that, although they're model, you can see this is the cabinet embedded into the wall. Although they're modeled, they do have some drafting elements, some genetic um, annotation built in. These are these tags here, FEC with a line and a big square. Um, if we open the family, we can see that that is a visible, first of all, only on reference plane, floor plan. You can see the family here. There are two of these genetic annotations. Okay, I don't really feel for having genetic annotation into your models family. 3D family should not have genetic annotation. If you wanna have details, okay, then the detail takes after the family category. But these genetic annotations are only visible if genetic annotations are on in your views, so they do not follow your category and Revit categories, and that's just not good in my opinion. So what I'm saying is, of course, if you go here and you see that this is a genetic model, right? So well, at this point, it's yeah, it should be a special equipment. But anyway, this is a genetic model which has some genetic annotation built in. These genetic annotation are designed to show only on course because that's because the fire life safety plans are rendered in only in course detail level of detail. So it makes sense. These tags show up only on the fire life safety plans, and then there's another tag. It's a generic annotation that says which type of cabinet this is. In this case, it's a B, and that tag visibility is associated with a parameter. And so, depending on what you click here, FAC A, B, or C, the corresponding genetic annotation is displayed. These ones are shown only in medium and fine detail levels. Okay, so that makes sense. Now, if we go back to the project, these big squares are shown only on course. See, we're on course now, and the other ones, the type A, B, and C tags, let's say, are shown only on the enlarged plans. Now the problem I'm having is pretty disappointing, is that sometimes these tags show, sometimes they do not. And so you can see here there is one, and the tag is obviously present but not visible for some reason. Crazy still is the fact that, for example, you do any type of operation in the type of this family. For example, well, no, this one does not have any of those visibility parameters. This is a different family. But for example, let's say that I take this, and what I've been doing actually is mirror it on itself without copy. You mirror this thing on itself, and for some reason that tag shows. Now I can mirror it back so that we don't modify the model. Right? So we mirror it back without copying it, and still showing properly. So now this is exactly like before, but the tag is showing. And I have absolutely no idea why. I didn't change any of the views, visibility parameters, any of the categories, nothing. Same thing here. Now let me see if I move this thing left and right. Does it work? Yeah. If you move it left and right, works as well. Works. I mean, it just shows you that tag, that genetic annotation, FEC with a line and a big block. If I go hidden line, shade, The wall gets shaded, hidden line, the walls gets white, nothing changes here. Now I thought that the problem was that these tags get hidden by the sloping floor plates here of the garage, but genetic annotation don't have a 3D plane they lay on, so I wouldn't know how that works. It doesn't seem like feasible. Bit 0, this is exactly the same placement constraint as the ones that were already visible before, such as this one. So I'm a little bit on a loss here, at a loss. But I believe the problem is that we shouldn't embed genetic annotations into model families. So these are my thoughts, and I spent all day just trying to fix this these cabinets, and still have very little success because first of all, I open these views, these sheets, and these are documents. We already issue actually these fire and life safety plans, and we issue them with this big black box at the location of these cabinets as graphics, and now they're not showing anymore. So, well, now I put them back, but what I'm saying is some of us still don't show properly. There you go. Here's another one again. Activate. It's right there. Nudge left, nudge left, right, and it goes back to be visible. This is just not a behavior that can be predicted, and it's obviously wrong. We need to be able to predict how these things show. Anyway, little glitches in the life of Revit families. Thank you for watching.